In June 2026, we saw a massive $577 million influx into the crypto ecosystem. But this isn't just about the money. It's about who is building the underlying rails of finance. The dominance of digital asset and Morpho, totaling over $500 million, signals a decisive shift. Investors are betting on institutional tokenization and on-chain credit as a new standard for global markets. Smaller but critical rounds for trade finance and range prove that compliance and stablecoin security are no longer optional. They are the core requirements for the next wave of adoption. With 84% of funding targeting institutional rails, the message is clear. The industry is moving from retail speculation to a professionalized trust layer. This trend suggests that by 2027, crypto infrastructure won't just be an alternative, it will be the primary rail for global institutional finance. Stay tuned as we track this evolution.